guys, Deronda here. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Parmesan crusted tilapia fish. I've got 4 5-ounce fillets of tilapia here. It can be fresh or frozen. If it's frozen, make sure you thaw it in the refrigerator overnight before using. 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 egg. I'm going to serve this tilapia with lemon wedges. I'm going to show you how to cut it here in a little bit. You're going to need 1/2 cup of Ritz crackers or a buttery cracker that looks like this. I just put them in a Ziploc bag, and as you can see, I just crush them down like this until you've got this fine texture on your crackers. 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and then we got a little bit of salt that I'm going to sprinkle over our tilapia. Let this salt just permeate into the fillets. You don't want too much because we got a lot of salt in the crackers and the Parmesan cheese. We're going to set this off to the side. For the crust part, we're adding our 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. We're going to add our egg to 1 bowl. With the fork, we're going to whisk it until it's well blended. That looks great. In this bowl, we're going to add those buttery crackers along with the Parmesan cheese. Now, you can add salt to this if you want, but like I said, those Ritz crackers and that Parmesan cheese has just enough salt for me, but add salt if you wish. Now, for the assembly part, drench each fillet in flour first. Make sure you get it well coated. If you want to get in there with your fingers, you can do that too. And actually, I think that'll be a little bit easier. And then shake off the excess flour. Then we're going to put it here in its egg bath. Of course, the Parmesan cracker coat. My goodness, is this going to be absolutely fantastic. And shake off the excess and put it over here on a clean plate. Continue doing this until you have all 4 of your tilapia fillets coated with the flour, the egg mixture. And if you wonder why we dip it in flour first, it helps hold the egg mixture onto the fillet so it will stick over here to its Parmesan crust. All right, and then again, add it to a clean plate. Just like that. Using a large heavy skillet over medium heat, add your olive oil all at once. Swish it around in your skillet. If you're thinking about skillets, you can use a non-stick or you can use a cast iron skillet. I'm going to leave that up to you. We're going to just let this warm. Next, we're adding those tilapia fillets pretty side down first. To test your skillet to see if your oil is hot, you just stick it right there in the corner. You see that sizzling? Then you know it's ready to go in. Don't overcrowd your pan. I'm going to fry my first 3. And we're going to continue frying this for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to flip them over. All right, if you think they're getting too brown for you, turn your heat down just a little bit more. And we're going to continue frying on this side for about 3 more minutes. To prepare the lemon, I make sure that I rinse it really well under cool, fresh, running tap water. Cut off the ends. Cut it in half. And then in half again. So you have 4/4 of your lemon. Look how beautiful that is. And I like placing the lemon wedge just like that before serving. Let's add just a little fresh lemon to the top. Let's dig in and see what it's like. You can serve this with rice, steamed broccoli, cauliflower, asparagus, perfectly cooked on the inside. Wow. Look how lovely and flaky that is. You're not gonna go wrong with this Parmesan crusted tilapia. It's delicious. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching. Stay safe, and I'll catch you lovely people later.